Fridays just got better at Doha Marriott Hotel. Enjoy their lavish urban brunch every Friday from 12:30 till 4:30 p.m. and experience an endless selection of items from all around the world with their captivating live cooking stations. For reservations, call 44298499. Hey guys, this is Huyam and welcome to another episode of the Weekend Roundup. The Weekend Roundup is where we tell you about all the coolest stuff happening in Qatar over the weekend. For our first event, weekends in Qatar are for sure going to be all sorts of epic with the inauguration of His Highness the Emir Sword Festival at the Qatar Racing and Equestrian Club today and will continue till 8 p.m. this Saturday. Entry is free for everyone and you can check out more details about the event when you visit their website now. Have your kids unleash their MasterChef potential with a cooking class taking place at the Mall of Qatar and Doha Festival City this Saturday from 11 a.m. till 12:30 p.m. Participation fee costs only 50 Qatar Riyals per kid and you can call the numbers below to secure a spot for your little ones. Join an adventure tour to Sea Lion Beach tomorrow from 1:30 till 5:30 p.m. for a dune bashing experience and desert show that you won't soon forget. Plus, you'll get to visit the equally majestic Inland Sea. To book a spot, send the organizers an email now. Popular Indian comedian Kanan Gill is in Qatar for the very first time to present his stand-up special called T-Tar. Prepare to laugh out loud for 3 straight hours tonight at the prestigious Regency Halls. Tickets are available online if you haven't got yours yet. Bollywood's Sultans of Swag Vishal-Shekhar are coming to Qatar next weekend for a one-night-only show at the state-of-the-art Ali bin Hamad Al Atiyah Arena. And you can still get your tickets before they run out. For ticket details, check out the Q-Tickets and Wanasa Time websites. Lastly, the Qatar National Tourism Council presents the 16th edition of the Doha Jewelry and Watches Exhibition, happening for 5 days till the 25th at the massive Doha Exhibition and Convention Center. And everyone's welcome to check it out. They're open daily from 3 till 10 p.m, so hurry before the venue gets crowded. So I guess that's it guys for today's episode of the Weekend Roundup. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you guys want to know more about fun events in Qatar before they happen, download the Qatar Events app and you'll never miss another event again. Available on Android and iOS, the app is completely free and easy to use. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter and be up to date with what's happening in and around Qatar. For more details, visit our website, iLoveQatar.net. Have a great weekend. Salam!